Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you a calculator that I have created. It's a useful calculator to know the right leverage that should be used and the position size before you enter a trade. You can go on forexleveragecalculator.com for free. Now let's begin the tutorial. First of all, I'm going to use Trade8 for this example. It's a CFD platform where we trade with Bitcoin. So you can use the platform you want, of course, but if you use this button right here, it will help me a lot to create another useful free tool. So let's begin. So here we have the Euro USD pair, and let's suppose that we just find out a good trade. We want to buy at 117.1 here, and we will put our stop loss at 117. That means that just here. We will take a 1% risk on our capital. For this example, we will imagine that we have a capital of 0.28 Bitcoin, like as shown here. Okay, so once we know the entry price and the stop loss price, we only need to go here, just here, and we enter our values into the calculator like that. So we just said that we have 0.28 Bitcoin, 1% of risk. Entry price was 1.17171. Our stop loss is 117. And here we see our leverage and position size. We can go back on the Trade8. Here, leverage, we enter, I don't remember, 6.85, and position size 1.918, and we can buy. Of course, the market is closed. It will not work, but you can do it if you want. It's just an example. It's not a real trade, okay? Now we have a problem. The problem is we just use all the capital for this trade. This is not a good thing, because imagine that we see another good trade to take and we can't take it, or we have to wait till the trade to be closed. A good thing to do is to divide our capital by 10 or 5 if you have a smaller account. Let me show you how to do that. So we go back on the forex leverage calculator, and here we see an example of what I mean. It's exactly what I mean. So instead of taking all of our capital, we need to divide it by 10. We see here 0.28 Bitcoin divided by 10. We have now 0.028 Bitcoin. Sorry. You go here, and instead of 1% risk, we will take 10% risk as that. 10%. It will be the same thing, same results. Simple as that. We divide our capital by 10 and we take 10% risk instead of 1%. It will be the same loss if you lose. It's not what we want, but if we lose, this is the same thing of our entire capital. So I hope you will use this calculator. It's free, and don't forget to use my link here or here. It's the same thing. It encouraged me to create tools like that, and thank you, and good luck.